Yo, what's going down, good people, man? This your main man, KBThaBandhead, man. Y'all already know what type of time your boys on, man. I am back in these podcast streets with this band heat, man. We have another banger for y'all, bro. Like, we have the Jackson State Sonic Boom of the South versus Alcorn State. I believe they do call this battle the Soul Bowl. You feel me? Like, I don't know why they call it the Soul Bowl. I need to check that out. You know what I'm saying? I need to do my research, man. If I'm going to be over here, doing these reviews and stuff, I need to research some stuff. Don't y'all think I need to research some stuff and come in here a little bit more informed? But one thing I do know, this was definitely a good fifth quarter battle, man. Like, Alcorn been surprised me. They've been coming with it. They didn't won a couple of fifth quarters that they that I've reviewed. They won the one against I think, was it the Magic City Classic? I think. Wait, y'all, I might be getting the classes confused. Do not quote me. But I believe it was the fifth quarter against Alabama State. They did win. So I like how they sound right now. They really do sound good. But they're going against a juggernaut, Jackson State. And we all know what type of time Jackson has been on, man. Hey, they have just been getting better and better and better. The book is crazy. The book is crazy. Every week we hear something new and they kill it. So Alcorn, y'all got a task, man. Y'all got a task. But one thing I'm gonna say with Alcorn, do not try to do the most. Like, you have to play your game. You have to play your game when it comes to Jackson State and Southern and stuff like that, like bands of those kind. You have to play your game. Don't try to do what they do. Do not try to do what they do, because they do what they do for a reason. And they have a system. They got it down. Do you. Just do you. I'm definitely looking forward to the GGs, man. That's the Golden Girls, if y'all did not know who that is, man. One of the SWAC's premier dance teams, man. There should be a really good battle between them as well, like the GGs and the sets over there at Jackson State. But the GGs, oh my God. Look, if y'all want to see them, just go over there to YouTube, type in Golden Girls Alcorn State. You'll see what I'm saying. You'll see what I'm saying. Like, they never disappoint, and they're operating on a different type of time. Like, I love what I see from them. Jay says doing their thing, but GG's is different. Anyway, just get into this fifth quarter, man. I'm tired of talking about the dance teams. Let's get on these bands, because that's what y'all here for. Anyway, let's get into this fifth quarter between Jackson State and Alcorn State. Let's go. All right, so Jackson is up first. See everybody on the field. All right, what you got, Mr. Kevin? Mr. Johnson, what do you got, man? Wow. Woo. Oh, my God. Wall of sound, bro. That wall of sound crazy work, bro. Oh my God. Yeah, man. They just improve every time I see them. Come on, dog team. Oh, me. Yeah, this is a good one for the Thanksgiving break. Yeah, I'm glad I checked this out. They sound good. Oh my God, bro. Yeah. What can you say about this, bro? But like, from the beginning, full wall of sound, upper brass, oh my God, lower brass, oh my God, dog team as well. Hey. War Thunder, man, come on, bro. They just complete right now. It's just complete, bro. It's just unfair right now what I'm hearing. It's just unfair what I'm hearing, bro. Just unfair, the execution. All right, Alcorn, what y'all got, bro? That's a tough one, bro. That's a tough one. I ain't gonna even cap. Put up a fight, though. Put up a fight. I see y'all. Don't do it seem like Alcorn don't even got in the gas right now? It's like after you heard you heard Jackson, now you hear them. It's like, man, they just they. Right, I'm gonna look at these GGs, see what they talking about. I feel like they the best dance squad in the SWAC right now, the GGs, bro. They been putting on. I ain't going to count. And I don't know nothing about dance like that. I'm just saying. Okay. Well, we know the lower brass came to play for Alcorn. I can see. I see that was like a little throwaway because it wasn't no type of intensity, no type of fire in that. I mean, they sound good, but it just sounds like Alcorn is really just low brass right now. Jackson State, oh my God! I mean, to deflate your competition, to dominate your competition. It's like y'all first tune put fear in their hearts. Like you just tell how they perform that one. Like I'm just saying, yeah, easy win for Jackson State. Yeah, man, easy win for Jackson State. I just hope this is not a massacre, y'all. Drum major director. Okay, Jason, I see y'all. Ooh, so lush. Yeah. Yes, sir. This book is crazy work right now. Jack said y'all wrong, bro. Y'all wrong for this. I held it together right there. That piece could have got away on that one part. It could have got away, but y'all held it together. Good job. Good job. That book is crazy. That book is crazy work, bro. Okay. She had to hold it. Okay. Come on, Woodwind. Oh, Lord, Woodwind, what's going on? They got movement. I like the piece. Some tonation, though. Okay. That wasn't bad. That wasn't. I like that piece. I don't know the name of the tune, but I really do like the piece. The only thing I would say, it was a little. I think it was like the bridge or something in that piece. The woodwinds just failed us. Just failed. It was some tonation issues going on with the wood. It did not sound good. Somebody. I don't know if it's some clarinets or something. I don't know, y'all. Someone wasn't hidden. It wasn't hit. Now Jackson State, they had their issues with that piece a little bit. Like it could have broke down, but they held it together. I'm definitely gonna have to get this round to Jackson State. Like it's the difference is clear, bro. The difference is definitely clear. I am not mad at what Alcorn is doing, but I just feel like the woodwinds just did not, like on that bridge part, the woodwinds didn't help them out. It didn't help them out. The piece had some movement though. I did like that. I really did like that. But y'all going against Jackson State, bro. It's different, bro. It's different, bro. Oh God, dog. Come on, Dr. Little. Just slap him in the face, man. This joint a banger. Good job, trombones. Carry the melody. Woo, I like that. Come on, Woodwind. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, come on, tuba line. I like the tuba line. Hey, Dr. Little he been hella creative, bro. He been really creative with his pen. He really has. I like it. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all, bro. Dog team gonna need some milk, bro, because what the other sections are putting out, bro, like they need about 10 more members, at least 10 more members to really just to have a good balance with the dog team. I'm just saying because, hey, the band is putting out watts, and we need a little bit more from dog team to kind of just balance it out and complement it. You dig what I'm saying? Because y'all sound a little thin at some parts, but it still was hidden though. Now I'm just nitpicking, but that mug was fire. Forget that. Summertime? Is this Fantasia one? Y'all gotta play it like y'all know it now. It's a good one. Okay. Okay. I don't think all the trumpets are playing. I just don't feel like all the trumpets are playing because this is a really good arrangement, but it needs to be cooked a little bit more, just a little bit more. He put some. Okay, the sound. Okay, turn the sound on. That's good. Something out of tune. I like this one, but it needs some work. It needs some work. Come on, tubas. How y'all got all these tubas on here? Is y'all all playing? Oh my God. It was a good tune. It is not a bad. It's not like I'm sitting here like that wasn't a bad tune, bro. Like I just feel like it was overarranged though. Do it seem like it was just too much, or am I just tripping? Like it just feel like he put everything that he knew in this piece to make it just over the top, and I just feel like they didn't execute it as well as they could. But if he would have simplified it a little bit more, man, just really did. It was some parts in there that need to be cooked a lot more. And how y'all got all these tubas and I don't really hear them for real? Like I'm just saying. I'm just saying. And the trumpets, what's going on with the trumpets? Y'all got this whole line of trumpets, and it seems like we just hear in the middle. We just hearing all the first trumpet. Like what a support. The second, third, what they at? And then with the UFOs, somebody trying to go to the sky and they ain't landing that note. Great job to trombones though. They held it down. Trombones held it down for real. But we'll win. I don't know, man. I like the tune. I just feel like it's overarranged just a little bit. Just doing a little bit too much, bro. We know you like that, bro, but you ain't got to do all that much. I mean, it is your art. It is your creativity, your interpretation, but I think it's just a little bit too much. Peaches and cream was just, yeah, chef kiss. Easy win for Jackson State, yeah. I think they're just trying to do the most now with Alcorn. It's not giving yet. Okay, Z's, I see y'all over there. breathe on that part. That can be rushed easily if you're not paying attention to that phrase. It's cool though. It's cool. That's one thing about Jackson. They gonna play that mug. Even if it's some mid, they gonna play it. They gonna play that joint. That was good. That was good. Let's see what Alcorn. Y'all might left the door open for them on this one. All right, Alcorn. This y'all's moment. They left it open. What you got? GG. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. All right. We put on a show now. All right, what y'all got? Y'all better feature the GGs. I didn't even see that coming. I did not see that coming. Come on, Alcorn. Put on the show then. Y'all doing something. I'm still trying to figure out how y'all cover up the GG like that. It's like an illusion. It's a magic trick or something. That's crazy work. Y'all entertaining. Y'all putting on the show. One thing I'm gonna say. Boy, they whipping this mug. All right, man. I'm gonna have to give Alcorn there. I'm gonna give Alcorn that one, bro. I'm gonna give Alcorn that one because that I don't know how they disguised the GGs and did all that. They came with it. That was a show. I mean, what Jackson played, it was good. It was on some mid to me, low key. It ain't one of their better pieces that I've heard. But I would give Alcorn this one, bro. I would give Alcorn this one. Did it have his moment? Yeah, it had his moments. But as a complete package, I gotta give him this one. That one was good, bro. That one was good. That was entertaining. That was entertaining. Yeah, I'm gonna give him that one. I felt like they left the door open. I said they left it. sir. This is clean. Oh yeah. Come on, War and Thunder. Oh yeah, there you go. That's the one we're talking about. That's the one we're talking about. That's the one. That's the one. Yeah. What y'all got, Alcorn? What you got, man? Y'all gonna really give me some, man. Well, that was weak. Come on, too. That was your moment to shine, too, boys. Come on, man. Give me forte, man. Don't give me no mezzo piano on that part, bro. Come on, Tubas. Boy, I sure wish they would have battled Texas Southern. I wanted to see that battle. I ain't gonna cat you out there. Cause Alcorn got some, bro. They got some, bro. They local, you got some. They really do. Okay, drumline, I hear y'all. That was good though. That was good. That was good. Hold up, okay. We still got some more. That was good, Alcorn. I like that. It maybe was played at the wrong time though. I think y'all should have played. Y'all should have waited to play this one because this was a good one. This was a really good one. But what Jackson State just played, I mean, they finessed that joint. I mean, they executed that joint. I mean, that joint was musical. God, dog. It was crazy work. Y'all came back with a good one. It was good. It was good. I really liked this one, but I feel like it was not the right timing. So yeah, Jackson got that one. Yeah, definitely got that one. Jackson definitely got that. Okay, they switching drum majors, different drum majors director now? Wait, oh, is this a student arranger? This might be a student arranger. Oh, snap. What you got, bro? Little rap tune. Little rap tune. Aggressive. Okay, dog team, I hear you. Okay. Now see, Alcorn, that last song, they should have played it after this one. This would have matched the energy. Now I don't know if the trumpets hit that last note together though. I don't know. That last note kind of strange. Keep it a buck. All right, we got a rap tune battle. I see. Here we go. What y'all got? Well, this could be like more type of. Y'all said this hats? Nah. What? Come on, Mello. Y'all gotta be strong when you come in. Alcorn just ain't giving. Tonight might not be our night, man. I don't know. Y'all have too many intonation issues. I don't know. I don't think tonight y'all night, man. I don't think tonight y'all night. I really don't. That's how I been some of these battles. And Southern y'all was on. But this one, I don't know. Y'all getting exposed. You can hear it. It sound like y'all done gave up. Oh, come on, GGs. I see y'all. The GG's giving though. they go good. All right, we have made it to the end of this battle, man. And I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to keep it frank as well. Like, I already just had my, pre-assumptions that Jackson State was going to win it. I really did. And they did exactly what I thought they were going to do. They came through, executed. Book was awesome. You feel me? They even threw in some student arrangers. I believe the drum major got up there, did one. And then another, I believe they said there was a trumpet player. He did an arrangement as well. So they let the kids get up there and go against Alcorn. That's crazy work. And they did a good job. You feel me? Alcorn, let me just say this, man. I like what y'all are doing. I really like what y'all are doing, but I don't know if tonight was y'all night. I just really feel like tonight was not you guys' night, man, because y'all had some tonation issues, even with the woodwinds. The trumpets, I don't know if they were still at IHOP and they ain't came back. Tubas, y'all got all them tubas, really can't hear them at times. Just can't hear them. The B-tones, they were doing a good job, but I feel like they was trying to be a little extra. They were trying to be a little extra. The one section I feel like that held it down was the trombones. They really held it down. y'all had great arrangements. Y'all did, man. But some of the tunes was a little bit over arranged. Now, I feel like some of these directors, you like that. And we know you like that. We can hear it with your pen when y'all perform. But when you do a little bit too much, it's just a little bit too much. Like that Summertime, it was good, but it's just too much. Just too much pen and not enough band. That's just really what it was. And then y'all featured the GGs, which was awesome. Like, I don't know how y'all pulled that off. Like, that whole illusion thing where y'all had the GGs like in the middle of y'all and y'all moved out the way like y'all parted the sea. Like, that was pretty dope. It was dope. So y'all pulled that off. I gave you that round. That's the only round I gave y'all. But did y'all execute that song to the best ability? No. No, you did not. Trump is struggle game. Just struggle game. I'm just saying, man. Like, if the GG is gonna do their thing, I need the band to catch up and step up with them, man. Just don't leave them out there. Like, don't leave them out there. Like, the GGs was pretty much saving y'all this battle, really, to be honest, because I don't know what y'all was doing when it came to execution. First round was decent. I mean, it was a good song, but Jackson they started off like that. So all in all, Alcorn, I believe this is your last game of the season. Clean it up, man. And I don't know if you can control every battle, coming with the same quality, but be consistent with the quality. That's all I ask. Be consistent. Because when y'all went against Southern, man, it was a different type of energy and band, and y'all executed well. Went against Jackson State, I just don't know what's going on. Like, I don't know. Some people said the zero quarter had better tonation. I don't know what happened between the zero quarter and the fifth quarter. I mean, y'all played in game, but y'all didn't really play that much, to be honest with you. I mean, we all know that. So what happened? I don't know. I don't know, y'all. But I know one thing. Jackson State definitely won this, bro. It wasn't a massacre, but Jackson State definitely won this. Now, they got some stuff they got to clean up as well. I feel like Dog Team, man, if y'all had a couple of more members, y'all would definitely even out the balance of the low end of the band, because everybody else is pushing. I mean, they pushing. I feel like Dog Team is definitely the weakest link of the band right now. It could be either them or the Mellows. But, I mean, for the most part, without the nitpicking, Jackson State is the most complete band that I've heard this year in the swag. They sound great. They pushing, bro. They really pushing. But anyway, man, that's my fifth quarter. I definitely gave it to Jackson State. Easy. I mean, that was my prediction before. So, hey, that's who won to me. But it don't matter what I think. Hey, y'all go check out the video on YouTube. Type in KBThaBandhead and tell me what you think in the comments. Or you can leave a comment here as well. All right, so we do have the last game of the SWAC season. That's going to be the Bayou Classic between Southern and Grambling. I'm going to be honest with y'all. I'm gonna say this. I just really want to know what Grambling gonna do. I really want to know if they gonna step up to the plate and do their thing, or they just gonna not do nothing at all. I don't know. But then again, I'm looking forward to Southern to see if they gonna continue to clean it up. See if they just gonna come in here and just punch and just full throttle. I'm looking forward to seeing this, man. So that should be the next podcast that should be rolling out. So y'all look forward to that, man. Also subscribe to this podcast. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, KBThaBandhead. Thank y'all for the support wherever you may be. I'll catch you next time. Peace out.